Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I would like to share or discuss about solve the quadratic equation using factorizing. We know that the quadratic equation is in the form ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. For example, x squared plus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. Then from this question, the first step, we should know that which one A, B, or C. So A is equal to 1, B is equal to 5, and C is equal to 6. After we identify which one A, B, and C, then we choose two numbers. For example, P and Q. Then we know that P plus Q is equal to B, and then P times Q is equal to A times C. In this case, we can say that P plus Q is equal to 5 because B is equal to 5 and then P times Q is equal to AC. So P times Q is equal to 1 times 6. That is equal to 6. And we find that these numbers is P, is Q, that is 6. It means that P times Q is 6. And then if we plus that, becomes 5. Then we just that 1 times 6. 1 times 6 is equal to 6. Okay, 1 plus 6 is equal to 7. So it's not this. Minus 1 times minus 6. So that is minus 6, but minus 7, sorry. Minus 7. So it's not that. And then 2 times 3, that is 2 times 3 is equal to 6. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. So that is the combinations of these numbers, 2 and 3. After that, from the equation, the question, x squared plus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. Then 2 and 3. Then we can change this equation to x squared plus 2x plus 3x plus 6 is equal to 0. We see here 2x, 3x, 5x. So it doesn't change the question. Then we factorize that x squared and 2x, 3x, and 6. So x squared and 2x will be x, open bracket x plus 2, and then 3, open bracket x plus 2 is equal to 0. We check it. X times x is x squared, x times 2 is 2x, 3 times x is 3x, 3 times 2 is equal to 6. Then x plus 2, we see here, for example, a times b plus c times b is equal to a plus c times b. So a is x, c is 3, b is x plus 2. So a plus c is times b. Then we can check it. We can continue. X plus 3 times x plus 2 is equal to 0. Then we answer the question, x times 3 is equal to 0, or x plus 2 is equal to 0. Then x is equal to minus 3, or x is equal to minus 2. So what is the answer for what is the solutions for x squared plus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0? X is equal to minus 3, and then x is equal to minus 2. If we want to know our answer is correct or not, we check it here. We put that minus 3. So minus 3 squared, it means that minus 3 times minus 3. So 9 plus 5 times minus 3, minus 15. So 9 plus minus 15 is minus 6 plus 6 is equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 3 is the solutions of this equation. What about this? X is equal to minus 2. So minus 2 squared means minus 2 times minus 2 is equal to 4. 5 times minus 2 minus 10. 4 minus 10 is equal to minus 6 plus 6 is equal to 0. Then x is equal to minus 2 is the solutions of this quadratic equation. The second example, 6x to the power of 2 plus x minus 2 is equal to 0. We identify which one A, B, and C. Then A is equal to 6, B is equal to 1, C is equal to minus 2. Then P plus Q is equal to B, that means 1. P times Q is equal to A times C, is that 6 times minus 2 is equal to minus 12. Then we make the combination P and Q. If we times that, minus 12. If we plus that, 1. So 1 minus 12, that is minus 12 and it's 1. So the combination should be positive and negative numbers. So minus 12, 1. 1 times minus 12. 1 times 12 minus 12 is minus 12. Okay. But P plus Q, 1 minus 12 is equal to minus 11. No, it's not the combinations of the number. 2 minus 6 is equal to 2 times minus 6 is minus 12. 2 minus 6 is minus 4. That is not solution. What about 3? 3 minus 4. Okay. So 3 minus 4 is minus 12. So 3 times minus 4 is minus 12. 3 plus minus 4 is minus 4. Because P plus Q here 1. So that is not the solution. We can check that minus 3 and 4. Minus 3 times 4 is equal to minus 12. Minus 3 plus 4 is equal to 1. So that is combinations P and Q. Then we make it 6x squared plus x minus 2 is equal to 0 here. Then we put that 6x squared plus, or we can make it minus 3x plus 4x minus 2 is equal to 0. We see here minus 3x plus 4x is equal to x. So we don't change the question. Then 6x squared minus 3x, we make the factorizing where we factorize that. So 6x, 6 and 3, yeah, 3, x squared and x, so x, and then 2x minus 3, 2x minus 1, plus 4, for x minus 2, then 4 and 2 should be 2, and then 4, 4 here, then 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. So to factorize that, we know that that is the highest common factor between 6 and 3, so that is 3. The highest common factor between 4 and 2, that is 2. And then we got that 3x plus 2 is and times 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. And then we got 3x plus 2 is equal to 0, or 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. Then we got that 3x is equal to minus 2, x is equal to minus 2 over 3, 2x minus 1, so 2x is equal to 1, then x is equal to half. Then we got that the solutions of 6x squared plus x minus 2 is equal to 0 or x is equal to minus 2 out of 3, or x is equal to half. If we want to check our answer is correct or not, so from here, if we put that minus 2 over 3, so 6 minus 2 over 3 squared plus minus 2 over 3 minus 2. So 6 minus 2 over 3 squared means that minus 2 over 3 times minus 2 over 3, so 4 over 9 plus minus 2 over 3 minus 2. So we got that 24 over 9 minus 2 over 3 minus 2, and then 24 over 9 minus, we times that 3 by 3 because 3 to make 3 to 9, so times 3, 6 over 9, and then here over 1, so 1 to 9, it means that 1 times 9, so 18 over 9. Then 24 minus 6, 18 minus 18, so 0 over 9, that is 0. Then x is equal to minus 2 out of 3 is the solutions of these equations. What about half? So 6x squared plus x minus 2, is it equal 0 or not? Then we check it, 6x squared plus x minus 2. Then we got that 6 times half squared plus half minus 2. And then we got it, half times half is 1 over 4 plus half minus 2. And then we got that 6 over 4 plus half minus 2. And we get that 3 out of 2 plus half minus 2. And then 3 plus 1 is 4. So we got it 4 divided by 2 minus 2 is equal to 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. Then we can say that x is equal to half is the solution of this equation. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.